Come on in and welcome home. I'm Thomas Newsom, the president of Southeastern Oklahoma State University, and this is my family, Katie, John, and Will, and my wife, Vicki.
Welcome to the historic Magnolia House. We're glad you're here. Built in 1918, the Magnolia House has served every Southeastern president.
We would normally be hosting visitors and guests this time of year, but due to the pandemic, we're not able to do that. So we're going to give you a tour of the house, blue and gold style. The house has a large kitchen and a lot of informal living space where a lot of times we just hang out and watch TV. We're really thankful for the Southeastern Foundation because prior to the Newsom's arrival, they made some significant upgrades to the house's infrastructure as well as new furnishings and paint, which really made it a home for us. One of the great features of the Magnolia House is this amazing backyard with this incredible covered patio. A great place to host parties and events, and we can't wait until this pandemic's over so that we can have you over to the Magnolia House. The patio cover was another gift from the Southeastern Foundation and just a great addition to the Magnolia House. The Magnolia House has hosted many famous visitors, including Eleanor Roosevelt in 1937, who was guest of President Newsom. So from the Newsom family to all of you,
welcome home!